I'm just walking down here further on Myrtle. Looks like the gentleman walked up their job, but I'm seeing more yards that have just been randomly shaved and taken over by the city. A little history on this block. Last summer, first they tore up people's lawns right and left all down this block, which is about a block off from where I live. What are you going to do there, Cupcake? Not a goddamn thing. Old fatty up there is turning around and getting tussied. Last summer they tore up these people's lawns, then put them back together, then tore up the fucking street and the lawns again, and now they're just shaving lawns right and left. Something tells me the landowners have nothing. Oh, here's where we're down here. They're shaving another lawn with big old Cupcake up there with her titties, man titties shaking. She's tussied. Here's the latest lawn they've been shaving. They got a cat right on it. Couple blocks down this way, yesterday I saw them, as they told me, cleaning the potholes with a high pressure air hose and a metal stabbing object. Cleaning the potholes, I mean, ripping up the road more like it, and then covering it with a little bit of black residue or goo, so as people can't see them when they run right into them and pop their fucking tire. That's their good city at work for you.